All right, guys, good morning. This came across the news wire for this early Monday morning. There is a release, a rolling release, unofficial release, rolling for Ubuntu called, well, Rolling Rhino Remix. Triple R. Okay. Rolling Rhino Remix is an unofficial Ubuntu flavor which converts the Ubuntu operating system to a rolling release distribution by tracking the devel series. Okay, so this basically is a Linux distro which receives, they spelled receives wrong, I think, which receives continuous package updates, and as such, there is no major update, unlike Ubuntu's current release model. So rolling, such as Arch-based. Anyway, if you go to the official website, the other website from the creator of Rolling Rhino, which was Martin Wimpress. This has actually been out a couple years. Martin Wimpress, the terrific creator of Ubuntu Mate. All right, so this Rolling Rhino is a tool to convert the Ubuntu desktop and the official desktop flavors that has been installed from a daily image into a rolling release. All right, so yeah, something like this. And it says here, this is not intended for newbies. It is intended for Ubuntu developers and experienced Ubuntu users who want to install Ubuntu once and then track all development updates with automatic tracking of subsequent series. So yeah, if you are new, don't do this. You can try standard Ubuntu or Ubuntu base, such as Zorn and Linux Mint. But if you like to tinker, as a lot of Linux users do, sure, why not? Check out Ubuntu's Rolling Rhino Remix. Good luck.